Hey guys, welcome back. We're continuing our grammar instruction today with compound sentences part 2, where we're going to start writing our own compound sentences. Today we're going to be focusing again on the formula I, comma, CI and the idea of coordinating conjunctions as words that connect two clauses. Again, if we were live in the classroom, I would have you guys say that word out loud, coordinating conjunctions. You can also remember fanboys. Okay. But these words are really important. Some things you want to know about these words is that coordinating conjunctions never come at the beginning of a sentence. If you notice in the formula I, comma, CI, they connect two clauses. So they have to be in between two independent clauses. All the fanboys words never come at the beginning of a sentence. They connect two independent clauses. They're not actually part of the clauses, though, right? You have your independent clause, your comma, your conjunction, and then a full independent clause. So they're not actually part of those clauses. They just connect the two. And each one has a specific meaning, and we're going to go over those briefly. So you have to make sure that you're using them correctly. So examples of coordinating conjunctions. The students finished class and they went to lunch. That and indicates that those two ideas are equally important and connected to each other. They did this and they did that. Kevin did not want to hurt Kathy's feelings, so he said nothing about her mistake. In this case, so indicates that what comes next is a result of what happened first. The second clause is a result of the first. So they're connected in that way. This happened, so this happened next. I want to see my sister soon, for she has been in Switzerland for 2 years. For in this case is similar to because. I want to see my sister soon because she has been in Switzerland for 2 years. But because is not a fanboy's word. For is a fanboy's word, so you use it in a sentence with the I, comma, CI formula. Baseball is my favorite sport to watch, but football is my favorite sport to play. But shows a contrast between these two ideas. There's a difference between the first and the second clause. The children ran all the way to school, yet they were late anyway. Yet is similar to but in that it also shows contrast. A lot of times you could use either but or yet in a sentence. You will have to finish the project or your group will get a failing grade. Here, or joins the two ideas when there's a choice between them. So A or B. It joins together those two ideas. Hani was not at the game, nor was she at the party. Here, nor is a coordinating conjunction used to introduce the second clause of a negative statement. And I know that sounds confusing, but nor is just another fanboy's word. There is something funny that happens to the verb and the subject when you use nor. They get switched around. That's called an inverted verb. You don't need to worry too much about that. Just know that nor is another fanboy's word that's used in the I, comma, CI formula. Okay. So looking at some sample compound sentences, turn in your assessment blank, you will fail the class. Which fanboy's word goes best in the sentence? The answer is or. Turn in your assessment or you will fail the class. Number 2, Steph Curry seems like a nice guy. Blank, he has so many fans. And notice we have our comma over here in the sentence before our fanboy's word. So the best fanboy's word here would probably be, take a guess on your own. And he has so many fans. You could also say so he has so many fans, like because he seems like a nice guy, he has so many fans. So, but and is probably the best choice here. Okay, so next, sometimes more than one word will fit into your sentence. So just keep that in mind. And next, you guys are going to go on to MyMCPS and complete the Using Fanboys practice. And we'll see you back next time.